Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brian. If you're new, I do luxury and fragrance related videos. I want to say that I hope that everyone is doing well right now. This will be my first video of the new year, and I thought I would just come on quickly and share or reveal a new bag that I have purchased. And this is a Preloved bag. And I also kind of share my thoughts on the Preloved market and buying Preloved, because I know there are so many opinions when it comes to buying bags that others have owned before. So I love this brand and I love this bag. It's my favorite bag from this brand, and you can see from the title that it is an Evelyne, and I will show you what it is right now exactly. So I have the Evelyne GM. This is Clemence leather, and it is a dark brown chocolate color, and this is in the color of bean. This leather is so soft, and this is the front of the bag. And this is why I bought this bag Preloved, because I am not a fan of the pocket of the third generation. This is the first generation. Yeah, if you have it, don't be offended. I mean, the bag is still beautiful, but I just am not a fan of the pocket on the front of the bag. I just love the simplistic look without the pocket. And I also unboxed on my channel the Evelyne TPM, and I love that look. The Evelyne TPM has no pocket, and so to get the bag that you want, you may have to go the Preloved route. So I bought this from a Japanese seller. The bag is in excellent condition, pristine condition, and I spent a good while looking for the bag that I wanted. I didn't want to jump the gun. Was patient, and I found this bag. There was absolutely no wear, no smell. It was in great condition. The person that used this really kept it in excellent condition. They took care of this bag, and you pay a premium for that. I think people think because you pay or buy Preloved, you are maybe not able to afford luxury prices, or you are buying it because it's much less inexpensive. But that's not the case. I paid a premium for this bag. It was 4 figures. I'm not trying to brag or think too much of myself, but I'm just saying that when you buy Preloved in pristine or excellent condition, you're going to pay a premium. And to get the bag that you love that may be no longer in production, you have to go the Preloved route. I don't buy Preloved if it's in bad condition, good condition, nice condition, and it has to be excellent or pristine. And my head is not in the clouds. I know this isn't a Birkin or a Kelly, but I'm just saying that you're not going to pay $150 for this bag. You're going to pay a good bit. So yeah, this is my bag. I love it. It's just so simple. It's casual. It fits everything. And I bought this crossbody strap to go with it because the first generation comes with a shoulder strap, and I'll show it to you. And I think the person that had this bag, they also used a crossbody strap because this strap is in excellent condition. But this is the strap that comes with the first generation Hermès Evelyne. And like the hardware is perfect. There are no scratches. So the person that used this bag had to use a crossbody strap and just kind of kept this, you know, in storage. But yeah, this is the strap, so I'll hang on to it just in case I sell it in the future. But yeah. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. Let me know what you think of the bag. What do you prefer, the first generation, or do you prefer the newer model? And what are your thoughts on Preloved luxury? All right, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.